Okay, so here's the mower deck. What we've gotten to is that one of these studs that holds the gearbox on, or at least the bracing that holds the gearbox on, this apparently was welded, or I guess it's supposed to be a stud that's welded into the deck, but this weld is broke, and so the stud's loose. I don't think that's my belt coming off problem. That whole assembly is pretty tight, but I'm going to weld this up anyway. And I only have 110 running out here to this barn, and I'm hoping I've got a Hobart 210 MVP. I had to go up to the garage. I've got 220 up at the garage, but I have nobody here. My wife's taking a nap, and nobody here to help me get the deck up to the garage. So I went to the garage and got the welder. I've got it plugged in up there, and so we're gonna try to weld this up. See how it goes. Anybody's gonna see this as long as it functions. Might work. That'll work. Yeah, it's not perfect, but I think that'll work. Right there is the stud that I just welded. So let's see if we can put a ratchet on it and tighten it up. All right, it's turning.
Looks like we're gonna try not.
It's tightening down. far so good.
So far so bad.
I'm not gonna take too much. All right. Probably pretty good. Okay. So that'll fix, hopefully that. Like I say, the thing wasn't really loose. I don't think that's the reason this thing was popping off. That's actually tighter than it was, so it's good. Alright, so we're about to put the new deck spring on the mower. So this is the old spring that I pulled off. I'll put the part number on here on the screen. I don't remember it off the top of my head. So I picked up a spring from the John Deere place that comes off of a John Deere 355. Let me show you the part number for this guy.
I gotta look at it.
Wait.
I gotta look at it, Daddy. I wanna look at it.
I'm shooting a video, okay? So here's the part number for this thing. M14 1974. It's so I haven't opened it yet, but let's look at the differences between. Hold up. All right, so here's this newer, heavier duty spring. Although I just noticed that it's a little bit right on top of each other. They're one is slightly longer than the other. However, I think it's a thicker spring, and the specs on it say it has more force on it. So we're gonna find out. I'm gonna use this spring, and we're gonna see if the belt tries to come off even more. Go on the so good like that. The thing I like about this spring is it. All right, so there's let's just pull it. Actually, I don't know if that's any tighter. This spring. I believe this spring has more pull on it than this other one. Oh. I don't know. We'll try it. Let's see. I don't know. That's awfully loose. Alright guys, so I don't know. I went back to the original spring on this just because the original is actually tighter. Because the original spring is supposedly the same standing length as that other spring, and this one is shorter. So it's got pretty good tension. I don't know. We've tightened this bolt up, so maybe that'll do it. I'm going to get the deck back on and we'll run it in the yard and see what happens. So let's do that. We'll see what happens.